100% natural moss. Moss pattern wall art by Oasis Garden Center Production offers unique nature-inspired decor. Bring nature indoors with our meticulously crafted real 100% natural moss wall art. Enjoy the beauty of live plants without any maintenance. Eco-friendly and sustainable, this wall art enhances your room's natural appeal, handmade and unique. The contemporary moss frame design adds a modern, chic touch to your decor. Perfect for any space, office or home, it revitalizes your home with a fresh green look. Handmade, that's why they are unique. Experience the calming effect of nature in your living space in the office or at your home. This art piece is a unique blend of nature and modern design. No watering or sunlight needed, just pure natural beauty. Ideal for busy lifestyles, it offers hassle-free greenery. Enhance your home or office with a touch of eco-friendly elegance. 100% natural, handmade, unique. The real moss coating brings ambience, an authentic outdoor feel indoors. Transform your space with this stunning 100% natural moss, maintenance-free wall art. Get top quality, handmade, unique at a great price. Rated 5 stars, order today.